Nato le ua silfoe tamtai e pati whale. Ai fo I to sivi whaiwa o lau suma. E li tatai o sauniga. Ia whawhaitere mo upu whara I au. Ia, ai mese o mana vanga o iene nei tai au. Ia e tomata wai so tātou whaiwa e wāne nei whamoa mo e tāu. E tau ia ina whawhuro mo ina mi. E tō whawhare ngana. E ona runga rea tua whawhai. Ia, lau sunga I le tai o tātou sauniga. O lau sunga le whaina uma whamaone le talesia me tisi. Lau sunga le vau polo tanget. Nau si whasaonga ngai lau sunga le whonga le tātou whamoemoe. O sofanei e le polo. O no winga o le vau polo tanget. Ia wa o te matai e fo. Ai whaupu pe tau mai le soafare a inga. Pamon mo le whatotope mai tau. Your Excellency Aso Tofi, the Ambassador of Japan to Samoa, Ms. Aliona Nicoletta, Resident Representative for the United Nations Development Program in Samoa, the Honorable Ministers of Cabinet, members of the Diplomatic Corps, esteemed guests, Iapani. I am indeed extremely privileged and humbled to address this ceremony for the handing over of the much needed and immensely valued electric truck and charger to support the administration of hospital oxygen plant services and transportation of oxygen cylinders from our main oxygen plant here to other health facilities both in Olo and Saunoaga. I believe this electric truck is one of the e-vehicles procured under the Climate Action Pathways for Island Transport project implemented by the government of Samoa through the leadership of the Ministry of Works, Transport and Infrastructure in close partnership with UNDP and funded by the government of Japan. Mōreo tuwhawhte tere lau whionga le pule o le mtanga ruenga o ngā ruenga matina I tere Mālō mōreo fōi Apolo ke te tāua. The procurement of this electric truck is increasingly important for oxygen plant administration due to their potential to reduce emissions, lower operating costs, and improve air quality, especially in areas where oxygen plants often operate. I applaud the fact that this is the first time ever that this electric truck has been specially manufactured and configured to cater the need of the Ministry of Health for a specialized truck to transport oxygen cylinders from the hospital oxygen plant to rural health facilities. Most importantly, it is Samoa's commitment to expected outcomes of the pathway for the development of Samoa 2021 to 2026 in placing emphasis on Samoa's efforts towards decarbonization and enhancement of health services provision. On behalf of the Samoan government and its people, I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to UNDP and the government of Japan for your never-ending support. This handover is another good example of how we can continue working together and fostering our partnership in finding solutions for challenges that confront the health of our people on a daily basis. I have no doubt that this spiritual assistance will go a long way to save lives and improve the quality of life of all our people by ensuring sufficient oxygen supplies to all health facilities in Samoa. To this end, I would like to reiterate my deepest appreciation to our development partners who had kindly provided assistance for us, not forgetting our local counterparts who had worked together in facilitating a negotiation of such important assistance to support the provision of quality and safe health support services for our people. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to celebrate with you this addition of electric vehicles provided by the UNDP and Government of Japan through Climate Action Pathways for Island Transport Project for Samoa, and look forward to receiving more e-vehicles or e-planes, if you can, Your Excellency, in the coming years, and continue to receive more support from our partners to promote health and well-being of our people. Your Excellency, there are electric ambulances on the market. A special request, if we can have one or two, we will appreciate. Arigato gozaimasu, whaftai, whaftai tere, ira Soifua Mālō Yesu. Amen.
Okay, thank you for
Yung sa ipokos ko wakan mo ikan ng mura daw.
Anyone here has the key for this truck?
there it is.
Okay. Yeah, you can head over to the...
It's an honor on behalf of the government of Samoa to receive this fantastic gift. Also from the UN, also from the government. Continue. So esa lang. Bukas yung private truck natin. Magiging image.
Yeah.
Ahorita no sé cómo le digo. should do well. Can we operate the ramp behind? Yeah. Let's see how the ramp operates.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Lengkap boleh begitu.